Hey y'all, this is JCG Studios back with another video, and I just want to teach you guys how to install the brand new Exodus and Covenant replacement. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys have a great day.
California dreaming about you.
Alright, well the first thing you do is press your little settings wheel. Then you want to go down to File Manager. Then go down to Add Source. Now click where it says None. Now type in the following. Alright, once you have this typed in, press OK. Alright, now where it says enter name for this media source, click on that and rename it Demi. D-I-M-I. Alright, when you have that done, press OK. Now, just press OK. Now you want to go back again. Now you want to go down to your add-ons. Now click on the little downloader box in the top left hand corner. Now you want to go down and click on install from zip file. Now click on Demi. And now you want to go down to the second one. It says incursion.repository.0.0.2.zip. Click on that and let that install. Alright, Incursion has been installed. Now go to Install from Repository. And you want to scroll down until you find Incursion Repository. Click on that. Now go to Video Add-ons. Now click on Incursion and press Install. Okay, it's been installed. Now you're going to go back to your add-ons. You want to scroll down until you find Incursion. Click on it. Alright, it's just like Exodus or Covenant. And I'm going to click on Movies to show you guys that it pulls it up. And I'm going to go to Most Popular. Alright, there's your movies. Thank you guys for watching my video. If this helped you at all, please drop a like and subscribe. Comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, or just leave a nice comment. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys have a great day.